Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Today in this video, I will tell you about solar system and 8 planets in our solar system. So let's start the video. We see countless stars twinkling in the sky. Sun is also a star. However, it is much closer to the earth than all of the other stars. It therefore appears bigger and brighter when compared with the other stars. Stars just don't only appear in the sky at night. They are always present in the sky, both in the day and at night. However, we cannot see them during the day. Only when the sun sets are we able to see the other stars. Groups of stars seen together are called constellations. They form shapes or patterns in the sky. Now we will talk about solar system. The sun, the planets and their moons together form the solar system. The sun is a star. It is the largest object in the solar system and is at its center. All the other bodies are bound to it by an invisible force called gravity. The sun's gravity keeps them circling or orbiting around it. Like the other stars, the sun is also a huge ball of glowing hot gases. The gases are hydrogen and helium. The sun is continuously giving out energy in the form of heat and light. Life would not be possible on earth without this heat and light. Now we will talk about planets. Planets are large bodies of rock and gas that rotate around the sun. They have no light of their own. They reflect the light from the sun. Our solar system has 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The 4 planets nearest to the sun are smaller than the 4 planets which are furthest from the sun. They move in fixed paths around the sun called orbits. Some planets have moons orbiting them. Moons are natural satellites. The distance of Mercury from the sun is 57 million kilometers. The distance of Venus from the sun is 108 million kilometers. The distance of the earth from the sun is 150 million kilometers. The distance of the Mars from Sun is 227 million kilometers. The distance of Jupiter from the Sun is 778 million kilometers. The distance of Saturn from the Sun is 1430 million kilometers. The distance of Uranus from the Sun is 2880 million kilometers. The distance of Neptune from the Sun is 4500 million kilometers. Our planet Earth has only one natural satellite, the Moon. It is much smaller than the Earth, about a quarter of its size. It is the Earth's closest neighbor in space. The Moon is the brightest and largest object in the sky at night. Yet it has no light of its own. It reflects the light from the Sun from its surface. The surface of the Moon is very uneven. It has many different rocks and a thick layer of dust covering the surface. There are high mountains, flat plains, and huge holes or craters on its surface. The Moon takes about 27 days to complete one revolution around the Earth. It takes the same time to rotate on its own axis. That is why we see the same side of the Moon at all times. The part that we see is called the near side, and the part we don't see is the far side. On some nights it is a bright circle, and on other nights a thin crescent. On some nights there is no moon visible in the sky. The shape of the Moon is not changing. As the Moon moves around the Earth, different parts are lit up by the Sun at different times of the month. From the Earth, we only see the part of the Moon that is lit. The rest is in darkness. The changing shapes of the Moon that we see from the Earth are called the phases of the Moon. During its orbit around the Earth, the Moon reaches a point where the part facing the Earth is not illuminated with sunlight. The illuminated side is facing away from the Earth. This phase is called the new moon. As the Moon continues to orbit, more and more of it is visible. It keeps getting bigger in size, and it is said to be waxing. After the full moon, we begin to see less and less of the moon lit by the sun. The moon appears to be getting smaller. This is called waning. I hope you will like my video. Kindly share my video and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.